In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a great presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll start from a fresh file and end with a polished deck you're confident to present. Open PowerPoint and pick either a blank presentation or a professional template. Blank is perfect if you want full control. A template can give you an immediate, cohesive look with coordinated fonts and colors. You can change your mind later, so don't stress about the first choice. Before dropping in content, take a minute to plan your message. Map out a clear structure with an introduction to set the context and promise, main points grouped into 2 to 4 sections, and a concise conclusion that reinforces the takeaway and call to action. Jot your outline in the notes pane so your slides stay focused while you keep details for delivery. Now start building. Go to Home, choose New Slide, and pick layouts that match your content, like Title Slide, Title and Content, or Section Header. Using built-in layouts keeps alignment clean and ensures your design looks consistent from slide to slide. Make your ideas visual. On the Insert tab, add images, charts, icons, or smart art. Use charts for data trends, icons for quick recognition, and smart art to turn bullet lists into simple diagrams. Choose high-quality visuals, stick to a consistent style, and avoid clutter so every element supports your point. Apply a cohesive look with design themes under the Design tab. Browse themes to switch the entire deck's color and font set in one click. For quick polish, try Design Ideas. It suggests balanced layouts based on your content. Keep accessibility in mind with strong color contrast and ample white space. Bring motion in carefully. Use transitions for slide-to-slide flow and animations to reveal key items, but keep them subtle and purposeful. A simple fade is often enough. Too many effects can distract from your message. Keep text minimal. Aim for short phrases, not paragraphs. Choose readable fonts, maintain consistent sizes for headings and body text, and use color sparingly to highlight, not decorate. Leave breathing room so each slide is scannable at a glance. Rehearse your delivery. Go to Slideshow and select rehearse timings to pace your talk, or use Presenter Coach to get feedback on pacing and clarity. Practice out loud until the flow feels natural. Finally, save your presentation often with Ctrl+S, and when you're ready, press F5 or choose Slideshow from beginning to present with confidence.